Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best inflatable water slides that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kahuna Twin Peaks Kids Water Slide Park. You can always bounce in your own home water park. The Kahuna Water Slide Park contains 2 slides, hence you can contest with your companion to the bottom. Blast your playmate away with a fire hydrant water cannon or stay cool and nice as numerous water sprayers assist cool you down when you go down the slides. Score some more points this season with 2 basketball hoops. Doubtlessly, your companions will continuously want to come at your backyard to spend time with them. It is included with blower inflates that allow you to slide in just 2 minutes. So have endless water enjoyment with the Kahuna Water Slide Park. Moving on at number 4, we have the Blast Zone Inflatable Shark Park Water Park Bouncer. The play park provides you with a new level of entertainment to your home. Children can jump in this bounce room and slide down on the mouth of the shark and then relax on the lagoon. You can set up this pack with less than 2 minutes and can be used by 8 children or utmost 800 pounds. This shark park is created with polyester Oxford fabric and contains vinyl commercial impact surface and protection netting for safety. It also comes with a sprayer, a fan, and repair kit and instructions booklet. It is also included with a case for easy storage. At number 3, we have the Blast Zone Spray and Splash 2 Inflatable Water Park. This park has a new slide design and has an inside return route on the bottom of this slide. When they are going back to the climbing wall, your children will relish staying cool on Splash Pool and they will love a cleaner play place free of debris and grass. To set up this water slide is really quick and simple. After taking away this water park from the box, you will simply unfold and lay it on your backyard. You will need only 2 minutes to infiltrate the pack. At number 2, we have the Banzai Slide and Soak Splash Air Water Slide Park. This water slide is a great item that comes with a pocket-friendly cost. It delivers all what you need for satisfactory services. Its elegant design ensures entertaining moments on it. Imagine having a water park and having the comfort within your patio? Banzai Water Slide will do that very well. It contains a big sprinkler to enhance your experience. The Duratech production usually makes this water slide long-lasting. Obviously, it can be utilized at any surface. You can utilize it every day and still have a high performance consistently. 120 volts power outlet can be used to power the blower motor of this water slide. And finally at number 1, we have the Blast Zone Inflatable Hydro Rush Water Park. This is one of the cheapest options for you, which is endorsed for children with more than 3 years and can hold at most 6 kids at once. What makes the Blast Zone Water Park so much enjoyable are the water cannon that usually rests on the sides, permitting children to shoot their brothers, friends or sisters with water. On the top of this slide, you will discover 2 spouts of water that retain the slide wet. Similar to most Blast Zone items, it is made with a quality construction. It measures 18 feet by 8 feet by 11. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.